Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and trying on the SKIMS Dolce Gabbana collaboration SKIMS body dress in the leopard colorway. Now this dress is an exclusive limited edition and it is already sold out on SKIMS website. And I don't know if they're going to restock it, but it is available on reselling sites. Now, I think this piece was the star of the show and it instantly sold out, kind of confirming that. It is the most, Dolce & Gabbana print and the most Dolce & Gabbana silhouette, probably the most Kim Kardashian silhouette as well. So I knew this one was going to be hot. I tried it in a size extra small, truly because it's the only thing I could get my hands on. I don't know if I would have preferred a small. It did end up being very, very, very tight, but I will let you be the judge at the end of the video when we get into a try on. Now, first, a quick note on the packaging. This packaging was so luxurious. It is hefty, it's kind of like a satiny box, and just really meets the level of Dolce & Gabbana SKIMS that I would expect. Now, it is a lot more sturdy than the SKIMS Swarovski packaging. If you do remember those videos, we do have a lot of try-on videos of that collection, so be sure to check them out. Now, this collection comes in probably about 50 items as well. There are black, white, and leopard items, and anything from pajama sets to tank tops to pants, leggings, skirts, sheer bodysuits, and the like. So we will be trying on quite a few on the Fashion Try-On, so be sure to subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss out on any of those awesome videos to come. Now, taking a look at our dress for the first time, it is very lightweight. It is a stretchy material. It feels like it would be very breathable and cool. It does have a slight underwire on the bodice, and it has a lot of kind of seams that kind of create the overall silhouette. So it does look very designed. They definitely didn't just, throw this one together. It does have a lot of seam work going in there. So it's a more intricate piece. Here is a look at the inside so you can see how it looks and what you might be, putting against your body. It does feel like a kind of mesh breathable fabric, if you can see that, especially in the bust. Now just getting a quick look at the tag. Like I mentioned, I tried the extra small. I usually am more comfortable in like a small with SKIMS, or at least for the tank tops, because they kind of tend to pull. Because this material is stretchy though, it didn't look like I was kind of forcing into it. So you let me know what you think in the comments below when we get to the try on part. Now, one more detail to go over. This dress, the same with the cami long dress from the Swarovski collab, has a zip at the bottom. I think this is the best feature that SKIMS is putting in their dresses. So you can either wear it as a tube dress or with the slit unzipped, and it gives you a little bit more walkability, a little bit more function, and it feels a little bit more comfortable. Now, first impressions throwing this on, I actually really, really liked it. It felt so comfortable, it felt really good. I don't know if the leopard is my style, but I am so glad that I picked this one up, and I am definitely going to find a purpose to rock it. Now, it also does come in the black, like I mentioned, and I am going to look into picking that up in this size as well. Now let's go ahead and unzip the bottom so you can see how that part moves. Now, as I mentioned, it is a lot more comfortable once you unzip the bottom, but it doesn't ruin like the integrity of the hourglass look. It really felt, super sexy, super flattering, super confidence driving. Like I wasn't self-conscious wearing this at all. So I think that is always a great sign of dressing for you. Now, let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you picked this up? Are you going to? Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.